Alright guys, this Viking 352D just doesn't want to leave. It's back on the bench because I noticed when it got to its normal temperature, probably like about an hour or so of being on and being used, it was dropping off AM power pretty considerably. It was down to like about 7 to 8 watts peak envelope power. And so something was obviously wrong, and it's one of the reasons why I really like to test the radios out, pretty vigorously before I send them back to the customer. But it's fixed now. I ended up getting a POTS radio for it, and I ended up swapping out the synthesizer board, and it fixed the issue. So that was a good catch, I'd say. But I figured while I still had the radio, I wanted to do a quick demo of my CS-1 Turner microphone. And yeah, it's pretty, I wouldn't say unique, but there's not a lot of videos on this particular microphone. So like the box says, this was meant for the E.F. Johnson 250, the Messenger 250, and other, Johnson radios, but specifically the E.F. Johnson 250. And it does come with the standard, the Johnson style plug, quarter turn twist lock plug. And I do have it plugged into the radio already. So I originally got this, I was going to rewire it for a Robin bass radio that I have, but I decided to keep it as is with the original plug on it. I don't own a single Johnson radio, not for any reason. I don't dislike them or whatever. I just never had the opportunity to own one, so yeah, I just kind of I don't know, I left it just in case one day if I do decide to get a Johnson radio, I can just have this this Turner bass mic to use for it. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick demo, and we can check out how it sounds, while I still had the 352D in my possession here before it goes back to the owner. We can do a quick demo of how it sounds. So we're on channel 19 there on the monitor radio, and we'll adjust volume here. Hopefully it won't be too bad with the feedback, but we'll get that dialed in. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing out this Turner CS-1 microphone. Sounding pretty good. Alright, let's see if we can get a little bit more volume out of this without getting feedback. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You turn down the gain here. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing the CS-1 Turner bass mic. Sounding pretty good. Yeah, it actually sounds pretty good. A little tinny, metallic-y, not, I think some of the other Turner mics sound a little bit better. Let me turn this down here. I think some of the other Turner mics sound better than this CS-1, but that's also because I think the Johnson radios have that metallic-y tinging sound. But anyway, yeah, that's it. I just wanted to make a quick video on the CS-1 Turner microphone. You don't really see too many videos on these. So yeah, there you have it. Thanks for watching.